From Divine Sister of the Light Prairie, Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athens. 144,000, the split is here. This is it, the most important week of our lives up until now. After this week, we will feel more free and stable to proceed to greater revelations and changes. The unveiling of the true self is here. We are ascending out of our graves. This is a fact for all of those who have chosen to return to true life. We are restoring inner homeostasis. Homeostasis is any self-regulating process by which an organism tends to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are best for its survival. If homeostasis is successful, life continues. If it's unsuccessful, it results in a disaster of death of the organism. The divine children are resurrecting, a nuclear interchange. We are leaving behind the parasites and the fallen ones. They can have their party, but without us. The split is here. We are separating our ways with those out of alignment to the organic flow of truth. We are called to bring our personal galactic 144,000 code of ascension and synchronize with each other in the frequency of love, and this is what we will do on Saturday, the 1111 gate. This will be an open gathering for those in alignment to the 144,000 code of ascension. The divine families are here and the genealogy of the godly earth will be seen. We are the galactics and each one of us represents our true home and family. Powerful aspects in the sky confirm the guidance and messages that we have been receiving. Mars and Sun in alignment to Uranus and Jupiter and in trine to Poseidon. Venus in trine to Uranus, Jupiter, and Pluto. Powerful benevolent forces of restoration are at work. The restoration of the masculine yang energy on Earth will be unforgettable for the collective. He is receiving back his wholeness, escaping the Medusa technology. He is becoming free again. Once he fully realizes what had happened to him, the world will change forever. These most powerful energies will also manifest in the lower expression, so attention is advised. Please stay focused on the flow of your own resurrection. The magnetic solar storm is expected to continue and be even more powerful on the 8th of November. This is the restoration of the paths of the divine Kundalini and the bridging of the DNA strands. Our true organic DNA is restoring back to its original state. Our erotic sexual channels are repositioning to align to purity and innocence. This is the opening of the true self-revelation and the real metamorphosis of our personality. I believe that we are now ready for the beginning of the third stage of awakening, which is connected to the total change of perception of reality around us and a total transformation of the human personality. Our true self will eventually be taking over. It was all just a theater. A new living world is emerging from within. So much love and happiness is flooding in. We are finally free. Let's enjoy it. The great changes are here. Blessings of freedom, love, and steadiness. Erini, El Moriana, Anadi Miana, Hunama Anata Kumara. Yellow Galactic Warrior.